Hey guys, 3D Crypto here, hope everyone's doing well. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a new platform and a new project on a new blockchain. It's basically a new platform called Pancake Swap, and it runs on the Binance Smart Chain. And that's the blockchain it runs on. So Binance Smart Chain was launched in September of 2020. It came off the Binance chain, which basically was launched a few months before, and it is backed by Binance, so that is a really big thing. The Binance Smart Chain, it aims to have lightning fast transactions such as the Tron blockchain, but obviously with a lot more utility like the Ethereum blockchain, but with very minimal transaction costs. So Ethereum transaction costs, you know, every time you try interacting with an Ethereum smart chain or a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, you get hit with huge amounts of gas fees. It's like almost $50, $60 at times. So what the Binance Smart Chain was designed to do, it was designed to run parallel to the Binance chain, but the Binance Smart Chain enables the creation of smart contracts, and the Binance branded blockchain, the tokens can run on that, and you get all new staking mechanisms for the BNB token. So BNB token is Binance's own token, and what it does is basically you can move that over to the Binance Smart Chain and interact with dApps, interact with smart contracts, and just do a lot of interesting things. And it's because it's so fast and so new and so cheap. There's a lot of hype building up for the Binance Smart Chain. So the Smart Chain, as I said, it runs on the it runs with the BNB token, and it runs on the Smart Chain. So obviously, the starting thing, you will need some BNB token. Easiest place to get BNB tokens, depending on where you are in the world, but 99% of the time, the easiest way to get BNB tokens is going to be on Binance. You can buy it with Bitcoin, you can buy it with USD, you can buy it with literally anything. If you go over to the markets that are offered for the BNB token, you will see so many different markets are available. So BNB, you will see that literally every type of currency supports BNB. So BTC, ARB, ADA, Algo, there is so many. It's a huge number. I don't know where you would ever need another type of token to interact with. BNB pretty much interacts with everything. So if we just look quickly with BNB and USD, so at the moment it is trading at roughly just over $40 per BNB token. So it's a really easy way to pick up tokens, either with Bitcoin or with USDT or with Tron, Ethereum, any coin that you potentially have, you can pick up some BNB token. If you're not able to access Binance, whether that be because you haven't got a Binance account, or you just don't like using Binance, or you're in America and it's in North America, it is slightly more difficult to get Binance. There are workarounds to get like Binance to work for you, so I'll leave some links down below for that. But if you don't want to go down that route, just use Simple Swap. With Simple Swap, you can buy BNB with Tron, for example, with Ethereum. So obviously you can use Ethereum and go over to BNB. So if you were to purchase, say, 1 Ethereum's worth of BNB tokens, you would get 29 BNB. And you would exchange that, and you enter the recipient's Binance coin address, and then your we send Ethereum to an address, and you get Binance coin. So the Binance coin and the Binance Smart Chain, they also run on a wallet. So there's a few wallets that you can use. You can use MetaMask. But you have to set it up. You have to put in certain. You basically go onto Binance's website, and you can kind of alter MetaMask to use the Binance Smart Chain. And I will leave a link down below because some people do prefer using MetaMask. I personally, for anything Binance Smart Chain related, I use Math Wallet. Math Wallet is very good. You literally go into mathwallet.org, find the extension you want for your Chrome browser or any browser, whether it be Brave or whatever. Click the button that you want. It will go to the web store, the web store. In this case, it's the Chrome web store. You'll get a button here saying install as an extension, and once you install it, this is it. This is your math wallet, and it's very simple. All you've got to do is, first time we'll say switch network. You choose a network that supports all the different blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dot, Tron, Binance Chain. What we're looking for is Binance Smart Chain. So just click on Binance Smart Chain, and it will give you a few options. So it will say create a wallet, import a wallet, or connect a hardware wallet. So unless you've already got a Binance Smart Chain wallet, which if you have, then brilliant. If not, just hit create wallet. It will be the same process as making a TRX wallet on a TronLink or an Ethereum wallet on MetaMask. It will give you some seed words, you write them down, and then what you end up with is your Binance Smart Chain address. And then you can use the copy the address function, or you can do the QR code, and basically that is where you send BNB tokens. So you can get BNB tokens, as I said, directly from Binance through the exchange, or you can get it through Simple Swap. And then once you've got these BNB tokens, you've sent them over to your math wallet, you can put them in a platform which I really like. It's only been out for a short period of time. I think September 2020 is when it launched, and it's called Pancake Swap. It's basically trying to do what Uniswap and SushiSwap have done for their respective blockchains, but on the Binance Smart Chain. And obviously, it's a DeFi farm. And it's, you might think, yeah, even on the Medium article, it says, oh no, not another food-based DeFi farm. And they go, look, this is very different, very, very different. Why? Because it's the network. It's a no-brainer. It goes, it's a quicker blockchain that costs less. So he goes, why would you use a more expensive blockchain? Why use a more expensive blockchain that costs more? And that blockchain is Ethereum. Why use Ethereum blockchain when you can use a Binance Smart Chain, the BSC Smart Chain? So it does. It hasn't got the level of adoption Ethereum has at the moment, but with the backing of Binance and the ability to drive more people to the Binance Smart Chain, along with lightning fast transactions, super cheap transactions, the initial update is going to be very, very quick. People are going to jump into this. And then obviously the main platform at the moment is PancakeSwap. And the question begs is, why is it different from every other farm? The question is, it's a fun farm. It's all about gamification, and it's all about the cake token. The cake token is what everything runs through. The cake token, as I said, because it's backed by Binance, you can actually go ahead and buy cake on Binance. So you can literally go ahead and type cake, and you can see you can buy cake with BNB tokens or with BUSD. So that gives a presence to this cake token, which the PancakeSwap network runs on. And the PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain BEP20 protocol. So the contract address, every block rewards and mined produces 40 cake, and it's 1.2 million cake are produced a day. And the distribution is amazing. So 75% of the rewards, so 30 cake per block, goes to the farmers. Then you get some going to the syrup holders, some goes to the daily. It's amazing, amazing stuff what PancakeSwap is doing. But enough about talking about numbers and specifics. Let's go ahead and look at the actual interface. So this is PancakeSwap. So this will be the first screen you've seen. The URL is PancakeSwap.finance. There's no referral links, nothing like that. It's simple, PancakeSwap.finance. You hit the connect button at the top. You choose your wallet. So if you've configured MetaMask, you can use that. If you've configured Trust Wallet, but for me, I think Math Wallet is the easiest. You click that Math Wallet button. It will populate everything. It will tell you this is your kind of home page. It will tell you what you're farming, what you're staking, what you have available. And let's look quickly at the price first. So the price at the moment for one cake. So cake is a proprietary governance token on the PancakeSwap network running on the Binance Smart Chain. At the moment, one cake currently costs $1.23. That is for one cake. So let me go on over to the exchange again and have a look at the chart against BUSD. So against the US dollar, cake is at roughly 122, and you can see it's only been out for a short time, but the chart does look very nice. The chart looks like it's going to go up very, very quickly, and I've had predictions, people saying Cake can reach $5, $10. It can do what Uniswap's done, because the uptake on this is going to be so rapid. So it's a good time basically to get in, which is right now. Liquidity is crazy, $19 million. The 24-hour volume is crazy, $10 million as the 24-hour volume. And let's head on over to see what the major thing is. The major thing is the exchange. And the exchange is simply that it's a exchange just like Uniswap, where you can go from one currency to another. For example, you can go from BNB, which is the proprietary token, as I said, and you can go and buy Cake with that, for example. So if I go from here to Cake, let's find Cake. There you go, Cake. If I want to buy one Cake, it will cost me 0.03 BNB tokens. Then you just hit the swap button, and then it will say, look, do you want to confirm the swap, all your slippage and whatnot? You press confirm swap, and Math Wallet will kick something up saying, look, this is what it's going to be, this is what it's going to cost. The gas limit is this is the gas price, and the gas price is literally pennies, less than pennies. It's like, I've never seen it more than about 10 cents. You go ahead and you press accept. It will wait for the confirmation. You can even view the transaction on its own Explorer, on the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. Once the transaction's done, you will see lightning quick. Lightning quick. We've already got one block confirmation. And then if you go down there and you look at the fees, 14 cents that cost me. 14 cents. And it was done. It's instant. And now I've got my Cake, my balances I've got now. I've got 2 Cake. Question is, what do you do with this Cake? Well, there's a couple of things you can do. You've got farms and you've got pools. So farms are amazing. There's so many different farms. Let me just cancel that. So you've got so many different farms. Let me connect with the Math Wallet again. Yeah, so you've got different farms. You've got Cake, BNB, you've got UST. UST is like the tethered version on the on the Binance Smart Chain. So that would be USD. So that's basically Tether and Tether. You've got different ones that we'll talk about in a moment. But the main one is Cake and BNB. So Cake and BNB, it's so simple. You can see down there, the APR, 192% a year with a 40x multiplier. The total liquidity at the moment, $36 million, which is crazy for such a new network and such a new platform. And then you can add liquidity. You can just press plus. You can go ahead and go to the liquidity provider and make some liquidity up. So that's basically, this is the platform where you can go and make your own LP tokens. So it will say, yep, which LP token you want to make. It's BNB and Cake. So you input 1 BNB and 33 Cake. You go ahead and press OK, and you've got liquidity, and you get that liquidity and you put it into these pools. So you can say, yep, I want to add liquidity, and then you can add however much liquidity you want. And you will earn Cake for farming, basically. It's that simple. And then there's also pools. So there's some really cool pools down there. Let me see the pools we've got down here. You've got the Cake pool, which will earn you Cake. You've got the Reef pool, which will earn you Reef. You've got the UST pool, which will earn you UST. And the APRs on this are 154%. So imagine if you put, say for example, $10,000 into the UST pool, and you're getting 154% a year as your APR. You divide that by 365 days. That's $42 a day, and there's no risk because this token, the UST token, is pegged to the US dollar. Amazing things. I personally am going to go into the Cake pool hard because I see the value in Cake and the Cake token going up. So, for example, you could go ahead and put 5,000 Cake in this, and you will be earning 176 as your APR. And then you got to remember, when you harvest this or when you take out this Cake, the Cake might not be worth $1.22. It could be worth $5.22. It could be $10.22. And the great thing is you can compound. You can compound. It's built into it. You can compound your earnings. So if you want to add Cake, so I'll go ahead and add. I've got 2 Cake available. Press confirm. pending transaction. I'll go ahead and press accept. I'll go back down there. It'll say, look, it's doing its thing. Back in the days of kind of Tron and Ethereum, you gotta think it's lightning fast. Ethereum isn't this fast, but this is that fast. You can see I've compounded, my cake earned has compounded, my total stake has now increased to 7, and now I'm earning more, so I can compound, I can harvest. So cake pool is amazing, guys. I'm gonna literally go into the cake pool hard, and I'm gonna go into the UST pool as my kind of my more conservative pool, because I know the price can never change on UST. It will be there. It's a pegged token. And then the cake pool I'm going to go hard in as well, because I think it's going to be a really good way to kind of again a token that will appreciate in value and compound it. Just compound my earnings on that. The other pool that I've gone into very hard, and I think this pool is going to be an amazing pool. There's a few that do this, a few pools that do this, but it's basically the UST pool. So on one side, it's a peg token US dollar against a token which is pegged against a stock. And those stocks are Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Tesla. And yeah, this is a fairly new thing. It's only happened a few days ago. So PancakeSwap adds M assets. So M assets are these. So M Tesla, M Netflix, M Google, M Amazon. And then you stake them and you earn cake as a reward, which is amazing. So you earn cake as a reward for staking this. And then you've got to think these assets. So the UST is tethered to the dollar. That's never going to change. Then you've got to think Tesla, is that going to go up as a stock? So it's another way of basically getting onto the stock market through crypto. So you're not actually owning Tesla. You don't actually own the Tesla stock, but you own something which is pegged against the Tesla stock. And that's the mirror protocol, basically. So the mirror protocol is powered by smart contracts on the Terra network, and it enables the creation of synthetic assets called mirror assets. And so the M assets in this case will be so the Terra USD, which is USD. So it's the first decentralized stablecoin that is scalable with a yield-bearing interchain. 1 UST equals $1. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, and then you've got other M assets. So in this case, you've got Tesla, M Amazon, Netflix, Google, and you can even see the smart contract. So I'm personally in the M Tesla UST, and I think that will have a lot of growth going forward. The reason I say it's going to have a lot of growth going forward, because as we all know, Tesla is a very hot commodity. It's doing big things with electric cars, electric vehicles, electric energy in the space. Elon Musk is a very forward-thinking person, and he's the owner of the company. So if anything, it just helps crypto more when someone like Elon Musk is at the helm of that company. He's spoken about Bitcoin, he's spoken about Dogecoin, he's spoken about crypto in general. So it's a very good M stock to get into, in my opinion. And you can see the APR is 202%. My total staked is 21 LP tokens. So how you get these LP tokens, it's very simple. You click on the stake button and it will take you over to a liquidity page, and that's where you go ahead and you can go ahead and make liquidity. Basically, you can provide liquidity. So for that you would need equal amounts. So for example, 1 Tesla stock, you would need 889 UST, which you can get through the exchange. So for the exchange, you would go and buy 1 Tesla's worth of with BNB or Cake, and then $889 of UST, and then that would give you a certain amount of LP tokens, and then those LP tokens you go ahead back on the farms and you stake them. And it's a really cool way of interacting with Tesla and the UST. So my thing is, I'm gonna go hard on the M Tesla UST. I'm gonna go hard in the pools. I'm gonna go hard with the cake pool, most likely, and along with the cake pool with the UST pool. So those are the 3 assets I'm gonna go. There's also some fun aspects to the whole system. They've got the cake lottery, so you can buy some tickets and they draw, and if you match certain amounts of numbers, you get a certain amount of cake in return. So when I have some spare cake every now and then, I go ahead and just play this lottery, and then if you win some free cake, you put it back into the the system, whether you're in the farms, whether you're pooling. There's so many more IFOs. There's going to be more assets being added. It's a very, very new network, but with a high uptake, a quick uptake. And the Binance Smart Chain, as I said, super quick, super cheap. So it's a no-brainer. You can even go to the overview on PancakeSwap.info. Like Uniswap, you can see all the information that is in regards to Pancake and the analytics. You can see the liquidity is 225 million. The volume you can see at 94 million. Top tokens is Wrap BNB. You got Pancake Swap token, which is basically cake. At $1.23. So there's a lot of scope for this token to move, in my opinion. There's a lot of scope. It's at $1.23, but with more uptake, more people looking at it, more liquidity being added all the time. It's a matter of time before this thing blows up. So guys, if you know of Uniswap, you know of SushiSwap, you know of all these other swap platforms, you got to think PancakeSwap is at the pinnacle, at the forefront of innovation on the Binance Smart Chain. So it's the perfect time. So all you need to do is go to PancakeSwap.finance, and then once you guys are at PancakeSwap.finance, you just need the Math wallet. You can use this on your mobile device as well. Through MetaMask, it's slightly more difficult, but again, I will leave a video down below how you can connect with MetaMask. But Math wallet has been the go-to for me. At the moment, Math wallet does on iOS. The official app is not supported with a DApp browser. So if you download the app, it won't get you the DApp browser. So what you have to do is download the app normally. Then if you head on over to Google and just type in test flight Math wallet, it will send you to this page. But you've got to do this on your iPhone or your mobile device. You download test flight, and from test flight you can install the beta version of Math wallet, which supports the DApp browser. So you can interact via that side as well. And it's a very good thing to do. Guys, as I said, if you want to get it set up on MetaMask, I will leave the link down below to a video by another YouTuber that has kind of shown how to get it all set up on MetaMask. But if not, Math Wallet is the easy way to kind of get in with PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain network. So guys, I will leave the links all down below. Binance Smart Chain, the takeaway points are it's very new, it's very quick, it's very cheap. There's a big scope. Big scope for Cake, Pancake, and the Binance Smart Chain network in general. There's a lot of scope for it to go up. So as I said, guys, do your own research. This is not financial advice, but me personally, I'm going to go hard on PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to pick up a lot of Cake and get into this platform and jump in and kind of diversify my portfolio. So you've got my Ethereum side, I've got my Tron side, now I'm going to the Binance Smart Chain side as well for the DeFi and the smart contracts that I'm currently in. Guys, if you like this video, please do leave a thumbs up down below. If you want to know about more of the projects I'm in, please check out the rest of my YouTube videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up. If you need any information, please do leave a comment down below. If you just want to speak to me, hit me up on any of my social media groups. And guys, as I always say, you work hard for your crypto, make your crypto work hard for you. And until my next video, take care.